Greetings of the day, dear students, and welcome back to your English grammar class. In our previous class, we studied about adjectives and kinds of adjectives. In today's class, we are going to study about the order of adjectives and the degrees of comparison. When more than one adjective is used to describe a noun, it usually follows a particular order. The order is first the adjective of quantity, then general opinion, then specific opinion, then size, temperature, shape, age, color, nationality, and material is placed. For example, they have a ferocious, big 2-year-old black dog. Here, ferocious is the quality, then big is the size, 2-year-old is the age, and black is the color, and that is the order that we use while placing adjectives when we have more than one adjective in a sentence. We know that there are 3 degrees of adjectives: positive, comparative, and superlative degrees. When we talk about the existence of some quality in a person or a thing, we use the positive degree. It is the base form of the adjective. For example, Sushma is a tall girl. Here, tall is the adjective used for the noun. But when we compare two people or things, we use the comparative degree. The comparative degree can be formed by adding er to the base adjective. For example, Parul is taller than Sushma. Here we have added er to the adjective tall to compare the height of two girls, Parul and Sushma. We can also change the adjectives into comparative form by adding more in front of the adjective. For example, Jaya is more intelligent than Vasanti. Here, since we cannot change the form of the word intelligent by adding er, here we are adding the word more to the adjective intelligent to change it from positive to comparative degree to talk about the comparison between Jaya and Vasanti. When we compare 3 or more people or things, we use the superlative degree. And we make the superlative degree by adding est to the base adjective or by adding most before an adjective. We use article the before the superlative degree of an adjective. For example, Sukanya is the tallest of all. Another example can be Sonali is the most intelligent of all. Here we are using the article the and most to talk about the superlative degree of the adjective intelligent. Most adjectives form the comparative by adding er and the superlative by adding est. But when an adjective ends with e, we form the comparative by adding r and the superlative by adding st. For example, noble, the comparative will be nobler and the superlative will be noblest. Some adjectives that end with y change the y to I and add er and est to make the comparative and superlative degrees. For example, early will become earlier. We will remove the y and add ier. And earliest, again the y will be removed and we will add iest. So the adjective early will become earlier in comparative and earliest in superlative. Adjectives that have the consonant vowel consonant combination double the last consonant before adding er and est to the comparative and superlative degree. For example, the adjective sad, the consonant s, vowel a, and consonant d. Here we will double the consonant d and then add er to the comparative degree and est for the superlative degree. Sad, sadder, and saddest. Some adjectives use more and most before them to change to comparative and superlative degrees. For example, careful will be more careful and most careful. Some adjectives change altogether when we write them in comparative and superlative degrees. For example, little will be less and least, and so on. We should always avoid making a double comparison. For example, if we say I was more happier in the countryside than in the city, it is incorrect. The correct way of using the adjectives are I was happier in the countryside than in the city. Some adjectives, such as first, last, equal, and unique, cannot be compared. For example, you cannot say my bike is uniquer or more unique than yours. You can simply say my bike is unique. Adjectives are used to talk about nouns, they enhance the meaning of a noun. So that will be all for today's class. Until we meet again, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep learning.